Vlogmas Day 18. We're in the car. We just we were just at 7-Eleven. I'm gonna eat me. I'm gonna have spam musubi. The mister is getting him some Thai food. He's gonna get me some too, but I wanted to get a musubi. The kids are in the back. You guys want to say hi? No?
Not necessarily.
No, they don't like to talk. Today is an overcast, rainy, chilly day. Chilly means we were in the high 60s. And just now, it looks like the sun is trying to peek out through the clouds. But it's been wet the whole morning, raining the whole morning. So it's just been a chilled, relaxed Sunday so far. Happy Sunday! I just noticed that for a Sunday, there's a car, and another car, but the roads are less, it's not as too busy. Literally just a minute before I pressed record, it was dead, no cars, and now there's cars. But it is, it's not as busy, okay?
Let's just go somewhere all these cars is going to be high.
See, look. Okay, we are home. That was pretty quick because the road wasn't so busy. Got some green curry and some sticky rice. Is it sticky rice? Or what kind of rice? Oh, Thai. We got some rice. So, and we got some rice to go with the curry. And the mister got some spring rolls, egg rolls. Spring rolls. Oh. We got some shrimp, broccoli, zucchini, and eggplant. And you can taste the basil in here. Is it basil? Is this basil in here? Or mint leaf?
I mean, it's not fresh rice.
The rice and the gravy.
Oh, that is kind of sticky rice.
I'm gonna take you guys outside. Today's been a rainy, overcast, windy, cold, winter, Hawaii winter weather kind of day. But right now there's some lightning going out in the distance. So let's go take a look. Okay. Can you see my lights? My red lights. Wow, did you see it? Christmas with the Cranks has been my favorite movie this entire holiday so far, which some days I would watch it twice a day, but this evening it's on AMC. It's already after 10. This is 10:30 p.m. Lucky thing there's no school tomorrow. This is my candy bowl that I have all my gourmet treats in there that we didn't get to it, and my dolly candies. But this candy bowl is I just realized when I used to work at the front desk in Waikiki, my co-workers, because the mister and I weren't married yet, they got this Tiffany candy bowl. This Tiffany candy bowl for my bridal shower. So this is actually 20, no, not 20, So Chalet is 16 years old, 17 years old. This candy bowl dish, this candy dish is 17 years old. We'll cry if something happened to that candy dish. But the mister ended up putting the rest of the candies in there. I actually had my candle burning, the 3-wick candle, but the wind is so strong that it blew it out. And I didn't even realize it was out. Is that bad or what? So let's just get to my advent calendar. First we'll do the gourmet candy. Today is the 18. Sometimes the numbers are so hard. Oh yes, thank you Carly for opening it. It's a mint.
I ate a lot of stuff.
We're gonna put her in the candy dish. Carly, 18.
Gummies.
It's not gonna be gummies.
Mints. It's either the mints or the one that looks like the tree.
Ooh.
It is the one that looks like the tree.
Yes, this I'm gonna have to eat it now. This is my I think this is my favorite. I love all the gummies, but this is what today's candy from Dolly. So let me just update you guys on my cold. It's actually just cough right now, and the only time I'm coughing if like my throat something.
She gave it to me.
Would you like one, Carly?
Yeah.
I'll share with you
I just want one.
I was only gonna give you one. So actually I feel pretty good. Was it last night? I finally took Dayquil to help me fall asleep, because if not, like the drainage just hurts. It irritates my throat, and then I feel like I have to spit up the liquid drainage that going from my nose, you know, the sinus kind of drainage, the mucus, and then I start coughing. So I finally just took the Dayquil to stop it, so I can get my rest too. Slowly, but I feel way much better than the beginning of the week. Can't believe tomorrow is countdown. It's gonna be countdown, guys. Today's 18, so 7 more days until Christmas. 7 more days of this Vlogmas. I know some days the last couple of days I've been stretching her, but it's all good. I'm still enjoying Vlogmas. I really am. And so this is gonna be it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Till then.